Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of India's most loved motorcycles, the 2025 Hero Splendor Plus. From its exterior design to interior updates, performance, and everything in between, let's find out why this bike remains a top choice for riders. Exterior. The 2025 Hero Splendor Plus gets a refreshed look while maintaining its iconic design. Front fascia. It features a sleeker halogen headlamp with an angular housing for better illumination. Body graphics. Hero has introduced new, modern decals that give the bike a sporty appeal, perfect for the younger audience. Fuel tank design. The contoured tank with bold Hero branding adds to its charm. Alloy wheels. The new blacked-out alloy wheels add a premium touch. Hero ensures this model retains its simplicity, making it instantly recognizable on the road. Interior. While motorcycles don't have traditional interiors, the 2025 Hero Splendor Plus comes with some notable updates in its features. Semi-digital instrument cluster. Hero has introduced a small digital display alongside the analog speedometer. It shows real-time mileage, a trip meter, and a low fuel indicator. USB charging port, conveniently placed near the handlebar for on-the-go charging. Comfy seat. The long, single-piece seat now features better cushioning, making it more comfortable for long rides. Side stand indicator, a practical addition for enhanced safety. Performance. Now, let's talk performance. The Splendor Plus is powered by a 100cc BS6 compliant engine, which delivers power, 7.9 bhp at 8,000 revolutions per minute. Torque, 8.05 Nm at 6,000 revolutions per minute. Fuel efficiency, a whopping 70 to 75 kmpl, making it a leader in mileage. The engine features Hero's advanced i3S idle start-stop system, which enhances fuel efficiency in traffic-heavy areas. The 4-speed gearbox offers smooth transitions, making it ideal for city commutes. The suspension setup with telescopic forks at the front and dual shock absorbers at the rear ensures a balanced ride. And the braking system, featuring drum brakes on both ends, optional front disc, provides adequate stopping power. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 2025 Hero Splendor Plus continues to live up to its reputation as a reliable, affordable, and fuel-efficient commuter bike. With its stylish design upgrades, practical features, and consistent performance, this bike is perfect for daily riders and first-time buyers. And with a starting price of 75,000 rupees, ex-showroom, it's an incredible value for money. What do you think about the 2025 Hero Splendor Plus? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. The camera zooms out as the bike rides off into the sunset. A subscribe button animation pops up on the screen. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. End of script.